All right, guys, got stuff going on today. So refurbed this Aurora Super G Plus. I guess it could just be a G Plus. I don't really know. This is before my time, but a lot of guys always want the old school stuff. So here it is. We did have to put a new arm in it, and the tires were dry rotted. So we put a set of double flanges and 452s. And then we also put a set of pickup shoes on it. But this is a magnet car. Even though it doesn't have traction magnets, it still uses the motor magnets as downforce, and it's still pretty fast. So I know a lot of the haters out there give the new stuff hate for being too fast. And this kind of stuff, it's still equally fast, and it requires the same amount of skill to drive it. So you can see it is a handful to drive. We're on 18 volts also, so that kind of, makes it a little bit pipey, but thing rips. It's a lot of fun. Just do some fun laps here. Make sure the tires are clean, because you guys know how I am about clean tires. Yeah, it's a pretty cool car. Has a 6 ohm arm. Running like 5.5 second lap times. This controller is a little bit edgy. Even if I turn the sensitivity down, it has a really aggressive ramp, so it's probably not the best for this kind of a car, but trying to leg it and not crash too much for you guys. Not sure what body the customer is going to use on this car. It could be an old Formula body, could be a Lamas type body like a 917. But pretty good runner. Gonna check the temp real quick. 102 degrees. Pickup shoes look good. So old school Super G Plus or G Plus. I don't know, you guys can correct me. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. I know it was quick and short, but we do have a long form video coming up on this car and the work that we had to do to get it on the track. But I just wanted to show you guys live real quick. So hopefully you enjoyed it. See you later.